This tutorial will be showcasing how to enroll a user by using ActPro Manage and the middleware. Firstly, go to Manage and press Add User. Now fill out the details of the user. In this case, we will be filling out the name. Now assign them a card number. Press Save and then add the user. The user should now appear on the user's panel. Moving on to the middleware, press Search to sync the user created on the ActPro panel. Now select the user by pressing the action button and select the device that you'll be scanning them onto. Press Scan to create a face scan for the user. Press the button next to the name to save the new scan. On the ActPro Manage panel, it will show the logs of the user's scan, confirming that it is successful. Here, the user scans himself in, showcasing that the new user has been created. The logs for the new user will be showcased, showing that they have been granted access.